Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's delays. Add it up, plus sign, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the beat later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit of flavor showing up to my space, I'm a fashion dealer. I'm your biggest bidder, meet me in the middle. I just don't wanna settle.
Hi guys, now that we're finally home, I can introduce myself to you. Making an omelette because I was so hungry after walking for 2 hours in the forest. Watching Love Village currently. I don't know if you're watching it also, tell me what you think. I like it a lot. This is my cozy corner where I like to snuggle up. So these are my desk friends collection. On the left are souvenirs that I bought, and on the right are the latest ones and the first ones actually that I made. I had the idea of making those desk friends while visiting Dunkeld. These are the 2 desk friends that I encountered that inspired me, and these are the ones that I made. I actually created a TikTok on it if you want to check it. Okay, let's get serious and into fighting mode. I'm ready for battle. This is me, by the way. I don't know how to sail, so I'm usually just at the front of the boat. And we're currently heading to the swamps to defeat Bone Mass. It's this scary dude that wants to kill you and poison you. And we finally defeated him at our second attempt, thanks to many potions. For this crafty sessions, we're going to paint this beautiful Trulli house. It's a typical house from the south of Italy, Puglia, and it's a birthday card I'm making for a relative. This was my first time painting directly from a photograph, so I was pretty anxious about how it would turn out. I had a brie sandwich to feel more confident. Painting the tree and adding layers, darker colors for the shadow. For the sketching, I'm not that good at perspective, but I guess it turned out really well, except for that one window. Just don't check it, don't look at it. It's on the left, but don't look. Just, winging it, painting, going with the flow. and everything will turn out beautiful. Because you made it with love. Exactly. Now I'm painting the little gray tiles on the roof. That was very tedious, but I was focused and I do think the result was very satisfying. Now I'm painting the shadows and adding also some details to make the painting look more realistic. And finalizing the ground, adding some texture. And ta-da! This is the final result. What do you guys think? I also added the pencil lines to make it a bit more rough on the ground. Let's get crafty again. I'm making this clay desk friend little Grogu because my boyfriend is a big fan of the Mandalorian. Currently mixing the green, trying to avoid making it into a Martian. Making the desk friend was very complicated, especially the ears. It was the first time I was kind of assembling several pieces together. And the ears, to make them symmetrical, it was the same challenge as putting on eyeliner. So hard. Then I traced the eyes with a pencil because I don't really trust myself using directly a black pen. Glazing it before making the eyes. It's a water-based glazed. But I found it pretty challenging because it kept gliding on the desk friend and then pouring down on the bottom, and it would be just like ice skating on the surface. So it kept moving around. Zooming in because I'm pretty proud of it, honestly. It looks good. And bam! Inspo, it was only round black eyes, but I decided to make him a little cuter, adding those white parts that you can see with a toothpick because it was pretty detailed painting. I made a TikTok about this process if you guys want to check it. What do you think about cute Grogu? It's the end of my first vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed those cozy crafty days with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit of flavor showing up to my